Prepare to experience FPV flying like never before with the revolutionary EMAX Aeris Link. This sophisticated open-source ELRS transmitter is meticulously designed to deliver unmatched performance and elevate your FPV adventures to new heights. Equipped with a 1.29-inch OLED screen, the Aeris Link presents essential flight control with clarity and ease. The user-friendly interface empowers you to fine-tune settings and control your crafts in real time, granting you complete control over your FPV experience. Harness the true potential of the EMAX Aeris Link's transmission capabilities. From the ability to pick an output power of 10 milliwatt to the option to adjust up to a formidable 1000 milliwatt, you'll achieve unparalleled range and signal stability. Conquer challenging terrains and explore uncharted skies with confidence. The Aeris Link is engineered for versatility and ease of use. It supports Crossfire serial data protocol and OpenTX remote control signals, ensuring seamless compatibility with your preferred setup. The Type-C interface and JR interface facilitate hassle-free connections for a seamless FPV experience. Rely on the Aeris Link's XT30 interface for external power. It accommodates a voltage input range of 5 to 21 volts, with a recommended 2S power source for optimal performance and reliability during your flights. With options from 2.4 GHz to a longer range 915 MHz, elevate your FPV game with the EMAX Aeris Link, where innovation meets reliability. Experience the freedom to customize, the power to transmit with confidence, and the promise of unparalleled performance.